Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Your daily update. We have enough to talk about, or at least, the situation, honestly, is still very similar to yesterday. And the markets have moved, and we've seen movement across the board. So from Bitcoin, but also from Solana. But not that much, and what you're seeing right now, and that has to do with the time of the year. I mean, it's December, holiday months. It's just less trading going on, right? So with Solana, you see that the volume has dropped down 12% or almost 13% right now in the middle of the week. That's not normal, all right? But that means that there's less trading, but it also means that we can get more volatility, because if there's less volume, you need less money to make the market move. But yeah, so yesterday what we talked about is that right now the situation for Solana is very, very similar to that of Bitcoin, and that is that it's stuck in this consolidation, right? Or at least, I mean, if you zoom out, this is obviously an uptrend, right? But what I said yesterday is that with this volume and also with this momentum, which I'll show you now, right here. See, the momentum is just dropping down. It's not growing. This is the last week, and over the last day, there's a bit of growth here. So that is, look, this could be an indication that we'll get a bullish breakout. All right, it's a possibility. It for sure is a possibility that we get a bullish breakout, because the market circumstances are bullish. And I'm showing this. I'm showing you this almost every day. But I do think it's worth it to keep in mind. The total value locked of Solana is still making new, not all-time highs, but it's still making new highs, all right? So Solana is still doing great, and that's also why it's one of the only cryptos really keeping up with Bitcoin and potentially even being more bullish. So the question remains, will Solana be able to break above our main resistance level, which in my eyes is $78, to round it up a bit. It's actually 77.75 or something. But that seems to be the main resistance level. And the big question is will Solana be able to break above that level? Yes or no? Because, honestly, I do expect some more bullish momentum from Bitcoin, which also means that Solana will get some bullish momentum from that. I'm just not sure. Look, I don't expect Bitcoin to get a bullish breakout. And with Solana, I think the possibility is there. We just need to see how it reacts to $77 or $78, excuse me. Because at this moment, given what we see right now and given what we know right now, I would say we're not going to break out. Solana is going to find resistance and it's going to drop back down towards the main support level at $69 and $66 down here. And from there, we'll see again. I expect that level to hold and for Solana to stay in this consolidation. That's what I think is most likely with the current circumstances, right? So with the low volume and the open interest, that's basically at the same levels as yesterday morning, even a little bit lower. But what I do want you to know is that there is a chance that it will break out. And what you need to look at is the open interest, because now we're seeing some spikes there. So there's a chance that the open interest will actually continue to rise. So take a look at that open interest, follow it, because if that keeps rising over the course of this morning, then it could actually be true that it becomes most likely that Solana will break above that level. And just either way, I mean, if Solana breaks above $78 on the 4-hour time frame, we're going up to our price target at 86 and 88. All right. So that could also just be what you're watching. If we're not able to break above that, then the open interest has probably not grown enough. But keep an eye on that, because that could really be the key to a bullish breakout. And those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know, I think, for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find out more info about my premium and signal group. As most of you know, very valuable, but that's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching, though. Take care and bye.